Hi guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. So first, you just have to open your Google web browser, and then here you have to type IDM extension not showing up or IDM extension not showing. Okay, so once it appears, what you want to do is to click, okay, as you can see, IDM extension is showing, tap this one. Okay, so you have options here. We have one, two, three, but I suggest that you open the very first link that you see. So this is what it looks like. And as you can see here, if you read this, please note that all IDM extensions that can be found in Google Store are fake and should not be used. So you have to read this one carefully. One, two, three, four. So I really suggest that you should read this information first before you download this IDM extension. Okay, so once you're done, you just have to click this link. Okay, tap this one, and it will take you directly to your Chrome Web Store. Now, what you want to do is to click this Add to Chrome, and then after that, click Add Extension. Then you will see at the top right corner that this extension is ready to use. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now let's open my Google Drive and we will try to download a video from this Google Drive and see if we can download this video using this IDM extension. So as you can see here, I can download this using my IDM extension. So tap download and that's it. So that's how easy it is to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.